Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Greetings everyone. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to present today. My name is Alifa El Karima, and for this presentation I will be discussing a language teaching method known as Make a Match. In this session, I will explain what Make a Match is, how it works in the classroom, its advantage, and how it can help improve language learning effectively. I hope this presentation will give you a clear understanding of this interactive and engaging teaching technique. So, let's get started. First, let's start with the definition of Make a Match. Make a Match method employed by Curran has some advantage in learning, especially reading comprehension in English. Thus, the purpose of this study are examining the effectiveness of Make a Match in teaching reading comprehension that is measured from the student's achievement and the student's attitude, which is compared to the achievement. This study used mixed method of conversion parallel design combining quantitative and qualitative. Make a Match method was effective to teach reading comprehension, especially in reading report text. Based on the post-test result of the reading comprehension achievement of the students who are taught using Make a Match method, experimental group, which is significantly higher than those who are taught without using Make a Match method, or control group. The achievement was affected by the students' attitude, that they were motivated by showing their enthusiasm and participation when Make a Match method was applied. So, cooperative learning model involves the student to learn and work in a group teaching and learning activity. Some advantages of cooperative learning mentioned by Fauziati are promoting higher achievement than competitive learning, reducing anxiety, promoting interaction that gives opportunities for students to talk, practice, experience, or retention new information. So, the Make a Match method was first developed by Curran in 1994 as part of cooperative learning strategies. It focused on helping students find matching pairs of questions and answers, promoting active communication, cooperation, and movement during lessons. In language teaching, this method makes learning more interactive and helps students build better comprehension skill. Jadi, metode Make a Match pertama kali dikembangkan oleh Curran pada tahun 1994 itu sebagai bagian dari strategi pembelajaran kooperatif. Dan metode Make a Match ini berfokus pada membantu siswa untuk menemukan pasangan pertanyaan dan jawaban yang cocok, sehingga mendorong komunikasi aktif, kerjasama, dan aktivitas fisik selama pembelajaran. Dalam pengajaran bahasa, metode ini membuat pembelajaran menjadi lebih interaktif dan membantu meningkatkan keterampilan memahami teks. Now that we understand the definition, let's move on to the benefits of using Make a Match in language learning. So, these are the benefits of Make a Match. First, it makes learning more fun and active. 2. It encourages cooperation and communication among students. 3. It helps students better remember information through physical movement and peer interaction. 4. It reduces students' anxiety because they work together, not alone. 5. It trains students to manage time effectively during the matching process. Jadi, ada benefits yang didapatkan oleh siswa. Bisa jadi untuk metode ini membuat pelajaran menjadi lebih menyenangkan dan aktif, dan mendorong kerjasama dan komunikasi antar siswa, bisa juga membantu siswa lebih mudah mengingat materi-materi apa yang diajarkan melalui make a match karena melibatkan gerakan fisik dan interaksi teman sebaya. Dan siswa juga bisa mengurangi kecemasan karena mereka bekerja sama bukan sendirian. Jadi, make a match ini siswa didorong untuk bekerja sama sesama teman untuk melatih comprehension skill dan melatih siswa untuk mengelola waktu secara efektif. Okay, after knowing the benefits, let's see how we can apply this method step by step. Here are the steps. Number 1, the teacher provides a reading text for students to study. And number 2, students are divided into pairs or groups to discuss the content and difficult vocabulary. And then the teacher prepares cards, half with questions and half with answers related to the reading material. 4, each student received 1 card. And then 5, students walk around the class to find the matching card with the correct answer or question. And then 6, when they find a match, they sit together and show their answer to the teacher. And then 7, points are awarded for correct matches, and the teacher can reshuffle cards to repeat the game. And then finally, the teachers evaluate students' understanding through additional questions or a small quiz. Jadi, step by stepnya itu guru itu bisa memberikan teks bacaan dulu untuk dipelajari para siswa, dan setelah guru memberikan pembahasan teks bacaan, lalu siswa dibagi menjadi pasangan atau kelompok untuk mendiskusikan isi dan kosakata yang terbilang sesuai dengan kemampuan muridnya atau siswanya. Lalu guru bisa menyiapkan kartu, separuh itu berisi pertanyaan dan separuh itu berisi jawaban terkait materi bacaan tersebut. Jadi nanti setiap siswa menerima 1 kartu dan siswa itu berkeliling kelas untuk menemukan pasangan kartu yang cocok. Setelah menemukan pasangan, mereka duduk bersama dan menunjukkan jawabannya kepada guru. Dan poin diberikan untuk pasangan yang benar dan kartu bisa diacak kembali untuk putaran berikutnya. Akhirnya, guru bisa mengevaluasi pemahaman siswa melalui pertanyaan tambahan atau kuis kecil. Now, I will show you a simple simulation of how make a match can be used in an English classroom. Okay, imagine we are learning about English vocabulary related to daily activities. So, this is the card that the teachers prepare. 1 card says brush teeth, and then another card will show the activity of brush teeth. And then there are 1 card say eat breakfast, and then the other cards that show the picture of eating breakfast. And each student receives a card. Then students move around and try to find the card that match their answers. For example, if students has the card of brush teeth, they must find the definition cards of brush teeth. When the students find their match, they sit down together, and then after matching all the cards, the teachers discusses the vocabulary with the class. Jadi guru akan menyiapkan kartu seperti gambar berikut ini. Ini contohnya ada 1 kartu bertuliskan brush teeth, or go to bed, or take a shower, or eat breakfast. Dan kartu lain itu berisi definisinya. Jadi 1 kartu itu ada yang berisi tulisan, satunya ada yang berisi gambar, dan mereka kemudian siswa bergerak mengelilingi kelas untuk mencari kartu pasangan yang sesuai. Misalnya, siswa memegang kartu take a shower, dan siswa tersebut harus mencari kartu definisi yang matching dengan kartu tersebut. Setelah semua kartu berhasil dipasangkan, guru mendiskusikan kosakata tersebut bersama siswa untuk memperkuat pemahaman. That brings us to the end of my presentations. To summarize, Make a Match is a creative and fun method that promotes active learning, collaboration, and critical thinking among students. By using this technique, language teachers can create a more dynamic and enjoyable learning environment. Okay, thank you for your attention. If you have any question, I will be happy to answer them.